Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the important problems from the topic partial fractions. So let us see the problem solving process. The first problem is find the quotient of x cube in the expansion 5x plus 6 by x plus 2 into x1 minus x. We all know that this is a partial fraction in linear factor form. So let us split it up. We can write it as a by x plus 2 plus b by 1 minus x. Let us take the LCM and cancel out the denominator. We get 5x plus 6 is equals to a into 1 minus x plus b into x plus 2. In order to get the values of a and b, we have to put first x equals to 1 and then substitute x equals to minus 2. Then we will get the values of a and b. So let us now put x equals to 1 in this above equation. Then we get 5 into 1 plus 6 is equals to 0 plus b into 3. That implies 3b is equals to 11. Implies b equals to 11 by 3. So to get the value of a, put x equals to minus 2. Then we get 5 into minus 2 plus 6 is equals to a into 1 minus 2 plus 0. That implies this is minus 10 plus 6 minus 4, that equals to 1 plus 2 3a. That implies a equals to minus 4 by 3. So now we have 5x plus 6 by x plus 2 into 1 minus x is equals to, substituting the values of a and b, we get minus 4 by 3 into x plus 2 plus 11 by 3 into 1 minus x. Now substituting the values of a and b, we get 5x plus 6 by x plus 2 into 1 minus x is equals to minus 4 by 3 into x plus 2 plus 11 by 3 into 1 minus x. From this x plus 2, let us take common 2 outside. So we get 2 into 1 plus x by 2 plus 11 by 3 into 1 minus x. So we get 2 1s are 2 2s are minus 2 by 3 into, let us write it as x by 2 whole power minus 1 plus 11 by 3 into 1 minus x whole power minus 1. In binomial expansion, we have learnt already how to expand this 1 plus x by 2 whole power minus 1. Let us do that. Minus 2 by 3 into 1 minus x by 2 plus x by 2 whole square minus x by 2 whole cube, so on, plus 11 by 3 into 1 plus x square plus x cube plus so on. Now we need to find the coefficient of x cube. For that, minus 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 2 whole cube plus 11 by 3 into 1, that is equals to minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 2 cube plus 11 by 3. So let us cancel out 1 2. We get 1 by 4 3s are 12 plus 11 by 3, that is equals to LCM is 12, 1 plus 44, that is 45 by 12, which is equals to 15 by 4. So whatever we want, that is quotient of x cube, is nothing but 15 by 4. In this way we have to find out the quotient of x cube in the expansion 5x plus 6 by x plus 2 into 1 minus x. So let us do another problem, that is find the quotient of x square in the expansion 3x by x minus 2 into x plus 1. Again we have to split it up first of all and find the values of a and b. We know that we can write it as a by x minus 2 plus b by x plus 1. Taking LCM and cancelling out the denominator, we get 3x equals to a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2. In order to find a and b values, we have to first put x equals to minus 1 and then put x equals to 2. So first put x equals to minus 1. Then this part becomes 0. Minus 3 is equals to 0 plus b into minus 1 minus 2. That is minus 3 is equals to minus 3 into b. That implies b equals to 1. So we got the value of b. Now let us find the value of a. For that, put x equals to 2. Then the equation becomes 3 into 2 is equals to a into 2 plus 1 plus b into 0. 6 is equals to 3a plus 0. That implies a is equals to 6 by 3, that is equals to 2. So we got both the values for a and b. Now the partial fraction becomes 3x by x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equals to 2 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x plus 1. After this, we have to find the quotient of x square. So we got the values of a and b as 2 and 1. Let us write the partial fractions. 2 by x minus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus x. In order to find the quotient of x square, let us take minus 2 as common from the denominator here. Then we get 1 minus x by 2 plus 1 by 1 plus x. So this can be cancelled out, 2 2. We get minus 1 by 1 minus x by 2 plus 1 by 1 plus x. This can also be written as minus 1 minus x by 2 whole power minus 1 plus 1 plus x whole power minus 1. So this is nothing but a binomial expansion. By using the binomial theorem, we can write this as minus of 1 plus x by 2 plus x by 2 whole square plus x by 3 x by 2 whole cube plus so on, plus 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus so on. We want only the quotient of x square. So minus of 1 by 2 whole square. Here only 1 will be there. That is nothing but minus 1 by 4 plus 1. That is equals to minus, taking LCM we get minus 1 plus 4 by 4. That equals to 3 by 4. Today we are going to discuss the third problem of partial fractions. That is, find the quotient of x power n in the expansion 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. So let us now first of all split it up. For that sake, let us make it into x minus 2 into, factorize the thing, x minus 3. So this can be written as a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3. Let us find the values of a and b by putting first x equals to 2. So we get a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. Cancel out the denominator and then put the value x equals to 2. We get 1 is equals to a into 2 minus 3 plus b into 0. That implies 1 is equals to minus a, implies a equals to minus 1. Now find the value of b. For that, put x is equals to 3. In this case, the total part of a will be 0. 1 is equals to 0 plus b into 3 minus 2. 1 is equals to b. So we got both the values for a and b. Now we can write it as 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to minus 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 3. Already we got the values for a and b. A equals to minus 1 and b equals to 1. So this equation becomes minus 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 3. In order to find the quotient of x power n, we have to first take out 2 as common from this. Minus 2 we will take out. Then it becomes 1 minus x by 2 plus, here minus 3 we will take out, 1 minus x by 3. And this can be written as minus minus, cancel it out, 1 by 2 into 1 minus x by 2 whole power minus 1 plus into minus is minus. So 1 by 3 into 1 minus x by 3 whole power minus 1. This is again a binomial expansion. So let us write the expansion. This becomes 1 by 2 into 1 plus x by 2 plus x by 2 whole square plus so on, x by 2 whole power n. And this becomes minus 1 by 3, 1 plus x by 3 plus x by 3 whole square plus so on, x by 3 whole power n. So we want the quotient of x power n. Here the quotient of x power n is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 whole power n. This is nothing but 1 by 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by 3 power n plus 1. This is what we want. This is nothing but the quotient of x power n in the expansion 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 1 by 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by